Hi guys, this is Larrissa with the You Beautiful One. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. I'm excited to share with you my Oh So Paper subscription box for the month of October. And so this is a fun theme that she is doing for the first time. Danielle is the owner. That she's doing for the first time, so I'm really excited to see what this subscription kit is all about. So let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Okay, and the inside sticker says, "Be true to you." This is lovely, and this has a lot of purple in here, as you can see. Even the fluffy, crunchy, crinkly paper is purple this time. So this is great for anyone who loves purple. Let's start off with our card. We get a postcard in every box. And so this is cute. She has a circus Olay kind of thing going on here, and so this is amazing. Fire breather, greatest show on earth. Isn't that cute? And then on the back it has "Be true to you," and of course you can send this off to someone or use it for your scrapbook, journals, or whatever you want, dashboards kind of thing. Next we have a magnet. This is also something that has been included in every subscription kit. I absolutely love the magnets. They're fun. A lot of planners have planner carts that we store stickers and planners and planner equipment on. And so these magnets stick really nice to this, or you can get like a magnetic board or make your dashboard magnetic and put it in there. So I like that. That's cute. Okay. Next up we have our coloring book. Okay, this coloring book is so cute. Love it. 5 cents, one night only. And so these coloring books are really fun. Some people use washi tape, paint, markers, whatever you want to use to decorate it. It's really cool to decorate it with washi tape though. It's pretty awesome. And that way you can also use your washi tape. And I love that she leaves the one side blank so that depending on what kind of tool you're using, if it bleeds through, it doesn't disrupt any of the pages. So life is a circus. Enjoy the show. Here's the fire breather. And then here's the entrance to the circus tent. It's like, welcome, welcome. Love that. And look, it's at nighttime, so you got your stars and your moon. And then here's the person who hands out the refreshments and collects your money. I love this. Oh, this is cute. And they have powder puff buns. Forgot what you call those, but yeah. Trapeze artist. So cute. Love that. Love her. She's adorable. Love the dots on her face, and her outfit is cute. Oh boy. She looks like she's a pro. Doesn't look like they're gonna fall to the ground. Oh, this one is so cute. Look at this one. Love that. Those brought back some good memories of the days when I went to the circus. Very cute. And then we have some goodies here. This might be the bonus item. Oh, okay, so these are cards, Be True to You. And on the back we have the circus girls that are on the coloring book. You get 4 of those. Then you have some note cards here, stationery, where you can write a little note on. That's cute. Looks like you get about 8 of them. Yeah, 8 sheets. And then you have, oh, these are cute. You have your envelopes, and on the inside it has the decor. So cute. So you get 4 envelopes. And then you get some circus tickets. Admit one, come all, the greatest circus show. That's cute. I wonder if it's a sticker. It looks like it's a sticker. So this, you know what, this would have been really cute if you could have like a little get together, a planner, party get together for this particular theme box. This would have been really cute to invite some people over and have a planner meetup, and then you get your 4 sticker seals to close your envelopes with. So that's cute. So that's something a little bit different. I would have to figure out how to, like, who would I use these for? Now, these would be pretty easy to use because Be True to You, that could be just, you know, a letter of encouragement or something like that. It's the admittance ticket that I would have to figure out how to use that. So, but these are cute. Okay, and then we have one last item. The sticker kit itself. Look at them, they're so cute. Okay, so we have the full-size sticker sheets. This is Kia. She has the polka dots on her face. Outfit cute. Nyambi. I don't know if that's correct. Shira. Anitra. Lolana. That's cute. And then you also get your miniature stickers on this sheet too. And then you have your medium size stickers. I mean, this is all about purples, right? Use of purples. And you get your task flags, boxes, and then you have Zoe. She's painting here. And then it looks like she just has on her mask. I like those. I like that because I paint too. And then here are the full box stickers. And these are basically the stickers that reflect what was in the coloring book. So you have the trapeze artist. I don't know if that's the right words. I think that's what they're called. And then you have the person throwing the batons up in the air, and then you have your circus tent, you have your ringlet girls. I'm just making up names at this point, okay? Life is a circus, enjoy the show. No one ever made a difference by being someone else. Good quote. You have your checklist boxes, and then you have your quarter boxes. I think that's what they're called. Uh, I don't know. And then you have the dolls on there with some flags and some popcorns. And this one is a curtain. That's cute. Oh, love these. So this is like the freebie or the sticker of the month. And so every month when she releases her new stickers, you have like about 5 to 7 days to place your order, and then to qualify for the freebie sticker of the month. So she'll include it with every order that you purchase. So that's cute. And then here's the girl on the moon, crescent moon. Expect the unexpected. We have our popcorn, our stars, our signs, our tickets, our tent. And then here are the dolls again. So that's really cute. You can do a lot with this spread. And then you have your full box stickers, your half sizes, your note to self, some flags and dot stickers. So this is really cute, guys. So much fun. I really like those. So that is the subscription box for October. I cannot wait to see how everybody uses their kit, because this is very different. But one of the things that I do remember every fall was going to the circus. So this brings back a lot of good memories, and I'm definitely going to incorporate this into one of my planner spreads. So I can't wait to see how that is going to turn out, and I'll be glad to share it with you. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and until the next time.